Hi everyone, welcome! Today, we are going to talk about irregular verbs in English. Irregular verbs are special because they don't follow the regular rules for changing into past tense. For example, instead of adding ed to the end, they change completely, like go becomes went. Learning these verbs is very important for speaking and writing correctly. Learning these irregular verbs is really helpful for IELTS preparation and improving your general English skills. In the IELTS exam, you'll need to understand and use a wide range of vocabulary correctly, especially in speaking and writing. Knowing these verbs well can help you form sentences accurately and confidently, making your language sound more natural. Also, in everyday conversations, these verbs are commonly used, so mastering them will make it easier for you to communicate effectively in English, whether you're taking an exam or just talking to others.
Now, let's first discuss those which all have the same forms. Bet, bet, bet. Meaning, to risk money on the outcome of an event or situation. Examples. I bet you $10 that the team will win. He bet on the horse with the best odds. Bid, bid, bid. Meaning, to offer a price for something at an auction or to attempt to achieve something. Examples. She bid $500 for the painting at the auction. He bid farewell to his friends before leaving. Burst, burst, burst. Meaning, to break open or apart suddenly and violently. Examples. The balloon burst when it touched the sharp edge. Tears burst from her eyes. Cost, cost, cost. Meaning, to require payment or a sacrifice. Examples. The new car cost me a fortune. The repairs cost more than expected. Cut, cut, cut. Meaning, to make an incision or divide something using a sharp object. Examples. She cut the paper with scissors. He cut his finger while chopping vegetables. Hit, hit, hit. Meaning, to strike something with force. Examples. He hit the ball out of the park. The car hit the tree at high speed. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Meaning, to cause pain or injury. Examples. She hurt her leg while running. His words really hurt her feelings. Let. Let, let, let. Meaning, to allow or permit something. Examples. They let him enter the room. She let her children stay up late. Put. Put, put, put. Meaning, to move something into a particular place or position. Examples. He put the book on the shelf. She put the keys in her bag. Read. Pronounced read in the present, read in the past. Meaning, to look at and understand written or printed material. Examples. She reads a book every week. He read the letter and smiled. Set, set, set. Meaning, to place something in a specific position. Examples. She set the vase on the table. They set up the chairs for the meeting. Shut, shut, shut. Meaning, to close something, such as a door or window. Examples. He shut the door behind him. She shut her eyes and tried to relax. Now, let's discuss those irregular verbs that are same in the present and past participle, i.e., they have the same first and third form. Here are the meanings and examples for the verbs. Come, came, come. Meaning, to move or travel toward or into a place thought of as near or familiar to the speaker. Examples. Please come to my party on Saturday. The train is coming into the station now. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Meaning, to successfully deal with or gain control over. Examples. She overcame her fear of public speaking. They overcame many obstacles to complete the project. Become, became, become. Meaning, to begin to be, to turn into something. Examples. She wants to become a doctor when she grows up. The caterpillar became a butterfly after several weeks. Now, let's discuss those irregular verbs that are same in the past and past participle. For example, they have the same second and third form. Here are the meanings and examples for the verbs. Bend, bent, bent. Meanings, to shape something into a curve, to lean forward. Examples. He bent the metal rod into a loop. She bent down to pick up the coin. Bleed, bled, bled. Meanings, to lose blood, to flow or escape in large amounts. Examples. He bled from a cut on his arm. The wound bled profusely. Breed, bred, bred. Meanings, to produce offspring, to raise animals or plants. Examples. They breed dogs for show. The farm breeds cattle. Bring, brought, brought. Meanings, to carry something to a place, to cause. Examples. She brought a gift to the party. His actions brought results. Build, built, built. Meanings, to construct something, to develop. Examples. They built a new house. She built a successful career. Buy, bought, bought. Meanings, to acquire something in exchange for money. Examples. He bought a new car. She bought groceries yesterday. Catch, caught, caught. Meanings, to capture, to grasp. Examples. He caught the ball. She caught a cold. Creep, crept, crept. Meanings, to move slowly and quietly, to advance gradually. Examples. The cat crept up on the mouse. The ice cream melted and crept down the cone. Deal, dealt, dealt. Meanings, to handle or manage, to distribute. Examples. He dealt with the problem effectively. She dealt the cards. Dig, dug, dug. Meanings, to make a hole by breaking up the ground. Examples. They dug a hole for the tree. She dug in the garden. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Meanings, to experience thoughts or images during sleep, to imagine. Examples. He dreamt of flying. She dreamed about traveling. Feed, fed, fed. Meanings, to give food, to provide nourishment. Examples. She fed the baby. They fed the animals in the zoo. Fight, fought, fought. Meanings: to engage in a conflict, to argue. Examples: they fought in the war. The siblings fought over the toy. Feel, felt, felt. Meanings: to experience an emotion or physical sensation. Examples: he felt happy. She felt a pain in her back. Find, found, found. Meanings: to discover something, to locate. Examples: she found her keys. They found a solution to the problem. Get, got, got. Meanings: to obtain, to become. Examples: he got a new job. She got tired after the long day. Hang, hung, hung. Meanings: to suspend something, to attach. Examples: they hung the picture on the wall. He hung his coat on the hook. Have, had, had. Meanings: to possess, to experience. Examples: she had a great time. They had dinner together. Hear, heard, heard. Meanings: to perceive sound, to listen. Examples: he heard the music. She heard a loud noise. Hold, held, held. Meanings: to grasp, to keep in a particular place. Examples: he held the baby in his arms. They held a meeting. Keep, kept, kept. Meanings: to retain, to continue. Examples: she kept her promise. He kept the book on the shelf. Lay, laid, laid. Meanings: to place something down, to set. Examples: she laid the table. He laid the book on the desk. Lead, led, led. Meanings: to guide, to direct. Examples: she led the team to victory. He led the way through the forest. Learn, learnt, learnt. Meanings: to acquire knowledge, to study. Examples: he learnt to play the piano. She learnt new skills at the workshop. Leave, left, left. Meanings: to go away from, to depart. Examples: they left the house. She left her keys on the table. Leap, leapt, leapt. Meanings: to jump or spring. Examples: the frog leapt into the water. He leapt over the fence. Lend, lent, lent. Meanings: to give something temporarily, to loan. Examples: she lent him her book. He lent his tools to a friend. Light, lit, lit. Meanings: to make something shine, to ignite. Examples: he lit the candles. The room was lit by the sun. Lose, lost, lost. Meanings: to misplace something, to fail to win. Examples: she lost her wallet. They lost the game. Make, made, made. Meanings: to create or produce, to cause. Examples: she made a cake. He made a decision. Meet, met, met. Meanings: to encounter someone, to come together. Examples: they met at the park. She met with the manager. Mean, meant, meant. Meanings: to signify, to intend. Examples: what do you mean? He meant to call her. Run, ran, run. Meanings: to move swiftly on foot, to operate. Examples: she runs every morning. The machine runs smoothly. Say, said, said. Meanings: to speak, to express verbally. Examples: he said hello. She said she would come. Sell, sold, sold. Meanings: to exchange something for money. Examples: they sold their old car. She sold books at the market. Send, sent, sent. Meanings: to dispatch something, to deliver. Examples: he sent a letter. She sent the package yesterday. Shine, shone, shone. Meanings: to emit light, to be bright. Examples: the sun shone brightly. The polished floor shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Meanings: to fire a projectile, to take a photograph. Examples: he shot the target. She shot a video. Sit, sat, sat. Meanings: to be seated, to rest on a surface. Examples: he sat on the chair. They sat quietly. Smell, smelt, smelt. Meanings: to detect odors, to sense by nose. Examples: she smelt the flowers. The food smelt delicious. Sleep, slept, slept. Meanings: to rest with eyes closed, to be in a state of sleep. Examples: he slept for 8 hours. She slept soundly. Spend, spent, spent. Meanings: to use time or money, to exhaust resources. Examples: they spent the day at the beach. He spent too much money. Spit, spat, spat. Meanings: to eject saliva, to expel. Examples: he spat on the ground. The chef spat out the food. Spill, spilt, spilt. Meanings: to pour out accidentally, to overflow. Examples: she spilt the milk. The coffee spilled all over the table. Speed, sped, sped. Meanings: to move quickly, to accelerate. Examples: he sped down the highway. The car sped up. Spoil, spoilt, spoilt. Meanings: to ruin or damage, to decay. Examples: the food spoiled in the heat. The surprise was spoiled. Stand, stood, stood. Meanings: to be upright, to remain in place. Examples: she stood by the door. They stood for hours. Stick, stuck, stuck. Stick, stuck, stuck. Meanings: to adhere, to cling. Examples: the glue stuck to the paper. He stuck to his plan. Sting, stung, stung. Meanings: to cause a sharp pain with a needle or a bite. Examples: the bee stung him. She was stung by the insect. Strike, struck, struck. Meanings: to hit forcefully, to affect. Examples: he struck the ball. The company struck a deal. Sweep, swept, swept. Meanings: to clean by brushing, to move swiftly. Examples: she swept the floor. The wind swept across the field. Swing, swung, swung. Meanings: to move back and forth, to sway. Examples: he swung the bat. The children swung on the swings. Tell, told, told. Meanings: to inform, to narrate. Examples: she told a story. He told me the news. Teach, taught, taught. Meanings: to instruct, to educate. Examples: he taught math. She taught the class yesterday. Think, thought, thought. Meanings: to consider or reflect, to have an idea. Examples: he thought about the problem. She thought it was a good idea. Understand, understood, understood. Meanings: to grasp the meaning, to comprehend. Examples: he understood the instructions. She understood the concept. Win, won, won. Meanings: to achieve victory, to gain. Examples: she won the game. They won a prize. Wind, wound, wound. Meanings: to turn or twist something, to twist. Examples: he wound the clock. Now, we'll discuss the list containing irregular verbs that have different forms in English. Be, was, were, been. Meanings: to exist, to occur. Examples: he was happy. They have been friends for years. Begin, began, begun. Meanings: to start, to commence. Examples: she began her homework. The show has begun. Blow, blew, blown. Meanings: to move air, to expel air. Examples: the wind blew hard. He blew out the candles. Bite, bit, bitten. Meanings: to use teeth to cut into something. Examples: the dog bit the mailman. She was bitten by a mosquito. Break, broke, broken. Meanings: to separate into pieces, to stop functioning. Examples: he broke the vase. The car has broken down. Choose, chose, chosen. Meanings: to select, to pick out. Examples: she chose the red dress. They have chosen a new leader. Do, did, done. Meanings: to perform an action, to carry out. Examples: she did her homework. He has done his chores. Draw, drew, drawn. Meanings: to create a picture, to pull something. Examples: she drew a cat. He drew the curtains. Drink, drank, drunk. Meanings: to consume liquid. Examples: he drank the water. She has drunk all the juice. Drive, drove, driven. Meanings: to operate a vehicle, to propel forward. Examples: he drove to work. She has driven across the country. Eat, ate, eaten. Meanings: to consume food. Examples: she ate an apple. They have eaten dinner. Fly, flew, flown. Meanings: to move through the air, to travel by plane. Examples: the bird flew away. She has flown to Paris. Fall, fell, fallen. Meanings: to drop, to descend. Examples: he fell off the ladder. The leaves have fallen. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Meanings: to stop feeling angry or resentful, to pardon. Examples: she forgave him. He has forgiven the mistake. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Meanings: to fail to remember. Examples: he forgot the meeting. She has forgotten the password. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Meanings: to prohibit, to refuse to allow. Examples: they forbade smoking. The act is forbidden by law. Freeze, froze, frozen. Meanings: to turn into ice, to stop moving. Examples: the lake froze overnight. She has frozen the leftovers. Go, went, gone. Meanings: to move from one place to another, to leave. Examples: he went to the store. She has gone on vacation. Give, gave, given. Meanings: to offer, to present something to someone. Examples: he gave her a gift. She has given him a book. Grow, grew, grown. Meanings: to increase in size, to develop. Examples: the plant grew tall. He has grown a beard. Hide, hid, hidden. Meanings: to conceal, to keep out of sight. Examples: she hid the keys. The treasure was hidden. Know, knew, known. Meanings: to be aware of, to have knowledge of. Examples: he knew the answer. She has known him for years. Lie, lay, lain. Meanings: to recline, to rest in a horizontal position. Examples: he lay on the bed. She has lain there for hours. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Meanings: to incorrectly identify, to be wrong. Examples: he mistook her for someone else. She has mistaken his intentions. Ride, rode, ridden. Meanings: to travel on something, to be carried. Examples: she rode the horse. He has ridden the bus every day. Rise, rose, risen. Meanings: to move upward, to increase. Examples: the sun rose at dawn. The balloon has risen high. Ring, rang, rung. Meanings: to make a sound like a bell, to call by phone. Examples: the phone rang. He has rung the bell. Sew, sewed, sewn. Meanings: to stitch or join with a needle and thread. Examples: she sewed a dress. The button has been sewn on. See, saw, seen. Meanings: to perceive with the eyes, to observe. Examples: he saw a movie. She has seen that play. Shake, shook, shaken. Meanings: to move back and forth, to tremble. Examples: he shook the bottle. She has shaken with fear. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Meanings: to become smaller, to contract. Examples: the shirt shrank in the wash. The number of students has shrunk. Show, showed, shown. Meanings: to display, to reveal. Examples: he showed his work. She has shown her talent. Sing, sang, sung. Meanings: to produce musical sounds with the voice. Examples: she sang a song. He has sung in the choir. Sink, sank, sunk. Meanings: to go down below the surface, to descend. Examples: the boat sank. The stone has sunk to the bottom. Speak, spoke, spoken. Meanings: to say words, to converse. Examples: he spoke clearly. She has spoken with the manager. Spring, sprang, sprung. Meanings: to jump, to move suddenly. Examples: the cat sprang onto the table. The trap has sprung. Steal, stole, stolen. Meanings: to take something without permission. Examples: he stole the wallet. She has stolen my idea. Stink, stank, stunk. Meanings: to have a strong, unpleasant smell. Examples: the garbage stank. The room has stunk since yesterday. Swear, swore, sworn. Meanings: to make a solemn promise, to use offensive language. Examples: he swore to tell the truth. She has sworn never to lie. Swim, swam, swum. Meanings: to move through water using the limbs. Examples: she swam in the pool. He has swum across the lake. Take, took, taken. Meanings: to grasp, to carry away. Examples: he took the book. She has taken the lead. Tear, tore, torn. Meanings: to rip, to separate by force. Examples: he tore the paper. The fabric has been torn. Throw, threw, thrown. Meanings: to propel something with force. Examples: she threw the ball. He has thrown the dice. Wake, woke, woken. Meanings: to stop sleeping, to become alert. Examples: he woke up early. She has woken from a nap. Wear, wore, worn. Meanings: to have clothing on, to carry something on the body. Examples: she wore a dress. He has worn that jacket before. Write, wrote, written. Meanings: to form letters or words, to compose text. Examples: he wrote a letter. She has written a book.